Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2021 Ram 1500 Longhorn Edition. This casting is by Auto World. As you can see, it's in 1:64 scale. It's for 6 years and plus, so it's not toy, it's more of a collectible. And it mentions that it has got die-cast metal body and chassis with rubber tires and opening hood with detailed engine. So let's open it up. I think it looks like a nice casting. See what else it has to offer. So here's the 2021 Ram 1500 out of its box. First thing first, it's a 1:64 scale vehicle rather than Hot Wheels and Matchbox, which do more of a 3-inch vehicle. So it's much bigger than comparative wheels. Just for example, I have a Nissan Titan from Hot Wheels here, and if you see the size difference, you can figure out how big it is compared to that. So this is the actual 1:64 scale. It's much heavier than any Hot Wheels, mainly I think because of the size and also because of the details it carry. Now, since we have the casting open, let's do our typical thing and start from the front. So in the front, you got some nice details. You got a detailed grille with Ram badge. You got headlamps. I think they could have done a better job with the headlamp on this one. It looks very basic. I think sometimes Hot Wheels has done better job of the headlamp compared to this one. But from that, the bumper is finished in chrome. It has some good details in the front. So you can see lower grille is also detailed. And you also have the fog lamps. Also, you can see both the mirrors and windshield wipers. Hood has this Pro Rodeo logo. It opens up, which we'll come to later. Moving to the driver's side. On the driver's side, again, some nice details. You can see those nice detailed wheels with rubber tires. You've got the Ram, I think that's the Ram 1500 badge on the hood. You also got VR Pro Rodeo and Pro Rodeo badge on the stickers on the side. Both the door handles are detailed. The trim around the window, Rippler is also detailed, finished in black. You got the fuel filler on the driver's side. 4x4 off-road badges. I think that's the package you get with the truck. Now moving to the back, again good details here. You got painted tail lamp, Dodge badge, Longhorn badge, 4x4, a steel bumper with a tow hook right here for towing stuff, obviously. Twin exhaust at the bottom. You got the door handle detail for the tailgate. We also got the chisel right there, which is again detailed how you have like bed lights and the stop lamp. You can see the shark fin antenna and a rear window that opens up right here. Bed is finished in black, how you typically see on trucks. Passenger side, almost identical. The only difference, no fuel filler cap here. You do have the Ram badge on the door on both the sides, which I missed. And the interior is finished in brown. I think the Longhorn trucks come with brown interior, so that's why. So a lot of good details here. Looks really nice. Now we have opening hood, but before we do that, let's go to the bottom. So on the bottom, again, there are some nice details. You can see the differential, the exhaust, the spare tire, and this one is made in China, as it says on the bottom. Now let's open the hood and see what's inside. So under the hood, you can see there's a big plastic cover which reads Ram on it. There's some more details, like you can see the engine from the side. Looks like there's battery on the side. So some good details under the hood too. Yeah. Overall, I think it's a nice looking casting. Only thing I didn't like the headlamps. Apart from that, it has got good details, good paint on it, and looks really nice. And it's 1:64. Well, if you're in the market for a 64 scale truck, I think that's a good option. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.